guys, my name's Giorgio Rapicavoli. I'm the chef owner of Grails and Eating House restaurants in Miami, Florida. And just in time for the big game, I've created these Chifles Miami Nachos. We're gonna use just a whole bag of these Chifles Plantain Shells. So we're gonna start off with a little bit of mojo roasted pork, with a little bit of garlic, onion, lots of citrus, and a little oregano. On top of that, a little bit of guacamole. We've got some great little hidden ingredients for some great acidity. A little bit of lime crema, and the soul of South Florida right here, this is sofrito. For a little bit of acidity and a great pop of color, we've got some pickled red onions. A little bit of heat in those nachos, right? We got that Miami heat down here. Some jalapenos. For another great burst of color and crunch, some radish right on top. Now we're gonna finish with some of my favorite ways to finish nachos, right? Green onions and cilantro, those classic flavors. For a little bit of twist and touch, instead of that melted cheese, to represent Miami, we're gonna be using queso blanco. This is freshly ground queso blanco on top. You get this anywhere you like. If you don't have this at home, don't worry, you can use cheddar, you can use jack, whatever cheese you love is gonna work great on this dish. Now our finishing touch, our little surprise element, instead of using lime juice, we're gonna use a little bit of that lime zest, get those essential oils and that beautiful lime flavor all on the dish. And just for that final little pop, a little bit of Maldon sea salt at the end. This dish is delicious, it's incredibly simple, and it represents South Florida. So to get a little bit of that taste at home, make sure you make these Chifles Miami nachos before the big game.